Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to solve some questions from our topic, partnership. So let us start. So before starting or going into the question, we should remember the formula for profit sharing ratio in partnership. We know that profit sharing ratio is equals to investment into time. So profit sharing ratio is equals to investment into time. So we should remember this particular formula. So let us start. Our first question says that A and B started a business investing 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs respectively. After 6 months, C joined them by investing 20 lakhs. So C has joined the business by investing 20 lakhs after 6 months. And if the profit at the end of the year is 5.6 lakhs. Now we know that profit sharing ratio can be found out using investment into time. So let us see what are the investments and time periods of A, B and C. So the investment of A is 10 lakhs and the investment of B is 15 lakhs and the investment of C is how many lakhs? 20 lakhs. Okay. Now here A and B are staying in the business for the entire year. So they are staying for 12 months. B is also staying for 12 months. But C has joined after completion of 6 months. So a year consists of 12 months. But C has joined after 6 months. So 6 months are gone for C. So he is staying in the business for only 6 months. So 6 is the value here. Now here profit sharing ratio is 10 multiplied by 12 ratio 15 into 12 ratio 20 into 6. So let us solve this by cancelling any common values. So 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So 2 2 2 10s are 20. Okay, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. Then 5 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50, 5 2s are 10. So the profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 2 ratio 3 ratio 2. 2 ratio 3 ratio 2 is the profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. Now in our question, what did he ask? He asked for the share of A. We should find the share or value of A. So A's share is equals to ratio, A's ratio, the ratio of A, or how many parts is A getting, divided by total ratio, A's ratio divided by total ratio into total profit. Okay, so the ratio of A is 2 divided by total ratio here is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 2 by 7. The total profit received at the end of the year is 5.6 lakhs. So 7 divided by 5.6 is 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 multiplied by 2 is 1.6. So A is receiving 1.5 lakhs as the profit. So option 1 is our answer. Now coming to the next question. In this question, he is saying that two persons A and B enter into partnership with capitals in the ratio 3:4. Their capitals or investments are in the ratio 3:4. If their investments are in the ratio 3:4, then their actual investments will be 3x and 4x. This is the ratio. This is actual value. Okay. Now at the end of 3 months, A withdraws. So A is staying in the business for only 3 months. We don't know how many months if B is staying. We have to find that particular point. So we have to find how long B's capital was kept in the business. So we have to find the how many months did B stay in the business, and after solving this we are getting a ratio. If the ratio received, if they received profit in the ratio 1:4, so profit sharing ratio is given here. Profit sharing ratio is equals to 1:4. This value is given. So first of all, let us solve this particular value. So investment time. So investment A and B. So the investment of A is 3x and the investment of B is 4x. Okay, you can assume the investment of A is 3 rupees and investment of B is also 4 rupees. 3x and 4x or 3 rupees 4 rupees, anything is okay. Then time period, A is staying in the business for only 3 months. He is staying how many months? 3 months. But B, we don't know how many months he is staying. So let us keep the value as K. Now profit sharing ratio according to our solving is 3 3s are 9x ratio 4x multiplied by k. So k is x gets cancelled. So profit sharing ratio is equals to 9 ratio 4k. But in our question, profit sharing ratio is given as 1 ratio 4. Let us equate them. So 9 ratio 4k is equals to 1 ratio 4. Then ratio can be written as like this: 9 by 4k is equals to 1 upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Then the value of k is 9. So B has stayed, or B has kept his capital in the business for 9 months. So our answer is 9 months, which is option A. So now our next question. Our next question says that A and B started a business together. B's capital is 700 more than that of A. So let us assume the capital of A is X. The capital of A is what? X. And the capital of B is X plus 700. Capital of B is X plus 700. Now, but B is investing his capital for 9 months. So the time period for B is 9 months, but the time period for A is how many months? The time period for A is 10 months. So let us solve this values. So time period and investments. So investment of A is X, then investment of B is X plus 700. Then A has invested his capital for 10 months, B has invested for 9 months. So then profit sharing ratio is equals to 10 multiplied by X ratio 9 into X plus 700. But in our question, the profit sharing ratio is given as 8 ratio 9. So profit sharing ratio is equals to 8 ratio 9. Okay. So let us equate both of these ratios. So if I equate these ratios, 10x divided by 9 into X plus 700 is equals to 8 upon 9. Okay. So 9 gets cancelled. Then 10x is equals to 8x plus 700 into 8. Okay. Now 10x minus 8x is equals to 2x. 2x is equals to 700 into 8. Then 2 4s are 8. X is equals to 4 7s are 28. So the value of X is 2800. But what is he asking here? He is asking what is the capital of B. The capital of B is 700 more than A. So the X value is the capital of A. But we want to find the value of capital of B, which is X plus 700. So the value of X is 2800 plus 700. 2800 plus 700 gives me 3500. So the capital of B is 3500, which is option 1. Okay. Now coming to the next question. A started a business with capital of 6400. Later B joined the business with a capital of 8000. At the end of the year, they are sharing the profit in the ratio 6 ratio 15. Their profit sharing ratio is here given as 6 ratio 5, and investments of A and B are 6400 and investment of B is 8000. But we do not know the how many months or how many months they are staying in the business, but the profit sharing ratio is given. So let us assume the time period. So first of all, let us check once again the question. A started a business with a capital of 6400. Later B joined the business with capital. So A is starting the business. So he is starting the business. He is from the start until the end of the business. So he is not leaving in the middle. So the time period for A will be 12 months. Because he is starting the business. He is starting the business and he is staying in the business from start till end. So the time period will be 12 months. But we do not know how many months did B stay. So let us solve this. So profit sharing ratio is equals to 12 into 6400 sorry, ratio K into 8000. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. Then we can cancel 8 8s are 64, 8 10s are 80, and also 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So 12 4s are 48 ratio 5K. So both of these ratios are profit sharing ratios. They are equal. So let us equate them. 6x by 5k is equals to 6 upon 5. So 5 gets cancelled. Then k value, the value of k is equals to 48 upon 6. So 6 8s are 48. So k is staying, or B is staying in the business for how many months? He is staying in the business for 8 months. So which is option 1. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.